Have you ever wondered what's actually powering the gym you go to? It's way more than just iron and electricity. Today, we're going to pop the hood on a modern fitness business. We'll use a super comprehensive management system as our guide to see how everything, and I mean everything, connects, from the front desk right to your fitness tracker.
So that brings us to the big question. What does it really take to run a gym these days? It's so much more complex than just having a bunch of weights and treadmills. Behind the scenes, there's this huge digital ecosystem that's managing every single interaction, every payment, and every workout. Let's dive in and see how it all clicks together.
All right, we're going to look at this from 3 different angles. First, we'll see it through the eyes of a gym member. Then we'll check out the digital tools the staff uses every single day. And finally, we'll zoom all the way out to the owner's command center where all that data helps run the business.
Okay, let's kick things off with the most important person in any gym, the member. We're going to follow their journey, right from that very first click online all the way to the moment they absolutely crush a fitness goal, and see how technology is shaping that whole experience.
The member journey today is a full circle. It starts with joining, which honestly should be as easy as signing up for Netflix. Then, just getting into the gym has to be totally frictionless. Of course, the workout itself is the core, and now it's supercharged with data. But the real magic? That's the last step, engaging with the community. Creating that feeling of belonging that keeps you coming back for more.
Yeah, forget about digging through your bag for that plastic key card. Getting in is seamless now. You can scan a QR code on your phone, tap an NFC card, or, get this, even get checked in automatically the second you walk through the door, thanks to geofencing. It's all about removing any little obstacle between you and your workout.
Remember scribbling your reps and sets in a sweaty, dog-eared notebook? All that guesswork is just gone. Now these systems track your metrics live, they sync with your Apple Watch or Fitbit to pull in heart rate data, and they build these beautiful progress charts automatically. It's the difference between guessing how you did and knowing exactly how you performed.
But here's the biggest mindset shift. Modern gym software isn't just for doing admin or tracking your own lifts. No, its real power is in building a genuine community. It's about turning what can be a pretty solitary activity into a shared, motivating experience.
And this is how they do it. They basically turn fitness into a game. You earn badges for hitting milestones, you fight to keep your activity streaks alive, and you can climb leaderboards to compete with your friends. You can join group challenges, share your progress photos, you even level up your member status. It completely reframes fitness from a chore into a game you play with other people. And that right there is the secret to keeping people motivated and subscribed.
Okay, let's switch gears. We've seen the members' view, but what about the people actually running the show? Well, this exact same system gives a super powerful digital toolkit to everyone on the team, from the person at the front desk to the head trainer. The secret sauce behind this is what's called a role-based system. It's a simple idea, but it's incredibly powerful. It just means that the receptionist, the trainer, and the manager all see a different version of the software. Each one is custom-tailored with the specific tools and permissions they need for their job. No clutter, just exactly what they need to be great at what they do. So, for example, the receptionist's dashboard is all about converting new leads and quickly helping current members. The trainer's view? Totally different. It's focused on building workout plans and tracking how their clients are doing. And the manager? Well, they get that 10,000-foot view. They're approving staff leave, logging maintenance on equipment, and looking at the big financial reports. It's one system, but it's like a different reality for each role.
Let's drill down on the trainers for a second, because this is where the system gets really interesting. It's all about giving them tools that go way, way beyond just showing someone how to do a bicep curl. You should really think of this as the trainer's own personal command center. They can manage their entire roster of clients, build custom workout and diet plans right inside the app, and handle all their own scheduling. They can even see their commission reports in real time, verify when a client completes a challenge, and track their own performance dashboard. This doesn't just make them more efficient, it basically empowers them to be entrepreneurs inside the gym's ecosystem.
And now, for our final piece, let's zoom all the way out. For the business owner, all of this activity, every check-in, every class booking, every single workout logged, it all flows up into one single command center. This is where you make the big, strategic, data-driven decisions.
So an owner can ask a really simple but vital question. Where are my new members actually coming from? And boom, they get an instant visual answer. Right here, you can see referrals are killing it. But hey, those Meta and Google ads are pulling their weight too. This data tells you exactly where you should invest your next marketing dollar for the best possible return.
Now, what if you've got more than one gym?
With a centralized system, you can put your locations side by side at a glance. You can see right away that branch B is the star performer. So the immediate next question is, why? What are they doing right that you can copy and paste over to branch A and C? This is how you scale a business the smart way.
But the real game changer in a modern system isn't just telling you what already happened. It's about making new things happen. It comes packed with powerful tools designed to put your business growth on something close to autopilot.
And this is where it gets incredibly powerful. We're talking about a fully integrated growth engine. The system can automatically run email and WhatsApp campaigns to bring back members who've lapsed. It can manage your referral programs and even plug directly into your Facebook and Google ads. On top of that, it can be a full e-commerce shop for selling merch and even run the gym's website and blog. It's not just managing the business anymore, it's actively growing it for you.
When you boil it all down, it's best to think of it like this. The software is the central nervous system of the entire business. It's the thing that connects every member, every employee, and every single decision back to one single intelligent core. Everything talks to everything else, seamlessly. So what we've really seen is that a gym isn't just a room with equipment anymore. It's a complex, living, data-driven ecosystem. And that leaves us with one final thought to chew on. As our gyms get smarter, more connected, and more personalized, how is our own relationship with health and fitness going to